Hey, you want to bake a cake?
Yeah. Okay. Bake powder, salt, flour, cinnamon,
Vanilla.
sugar,
Coconut sugar? What's that?
oil.
That's avocado oil.
Yeah.
What's that?
Sugar.
Sugar.
Ha.
What's that one? Is that brown sugar?
Yeah. Egg.
Flop. Can mommy take a turn? No. I can't have a turn?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. The birthday boy, and that's for you. We're adding the raisins.
Taste. Wow.
That's a bowl full.
Candle.
Candles.
Light.
We'll light the candles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. You can open it. Check to see how it looks. Hey, it looks pretty
Wow.
good.
Yeah. Austin. Then
Go ahead, you want to sing?
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Golden birthday to you. Yay. Again. Happy birthday.
Yay.
Yay. Wow.
Yummy. You did such a good job on this birthday cake.
Yeah. Candle.
I know, put candles on it.
Let's go.
Sprinkles?
Yeah.
You like baking?
Yeah.